absolute rotary encoder. This is an kind of interesting encoder that I want to show you how we can wiring that, and then how we can define it in TIO portal and connected it to S7-1200. As you know, the absolute one is used when we want to retain the position of the encoder. So let's check out what we have. It's on Profinet IO. The speed of that is really high. It supports RT and IRT. As you know, if you want to connect it to a PLC, you should connect it directly to PLC or use a kind of a scalens that support Profinet IO, like this one, scalens XC460. And as you can see, the output driver is Ethernet, and the important thing is this resolution singleton is 13 bit. It means 2 power 13. It would be around 8192 pulse per revolution. Okay, and if you use multi-turn, it will be 12 bit, 2 power 12. So there is nothing special here. Let's go to the manual. We have manual here. As you can see, it has lots of page, but there is something important for me. Let's go to registers, like here, encoder. Yeah, I want to show you. Yeah, these are all of registers that we have on the encoder. Some of them are input, some of them are output, and depends on your telegram that you choose. You can control or work on some of them. Where is the telegrams? It's, I think, on page 22, I guess. Yeah. For example, on telegram 81, we have this kind of output and this kind of input. In telegram 2, we have the same as telegram 81, but we also have NIST, that is velocity. So let's go on the PLC and show you how you can control this one.